right, welcome back everybody for another deep dive. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin dominance.
Ooh, Bitcoin dominance.
Which is a really interesting concept.
Yeah.
And I think can really help us understand the crypto markets.
Totally.
And especially altcoin seasons.
Mm-hmm.
So,
altcoin.
First of all, what is this thing?
Yeah, so Bitcoin dominance, let's just think of the entire crypto market as like a pie chart.
Okay.
And so Bitcoin dominance is just the percentage of that pie that is represented by Bitcoin.
That makes sense.
So, at some points in history, Bitcoin has dominated upwards of, 70, 80% of the market.
Right.
And then at other times, it's been much lower.
I see. So that's when things get interesting.
That's when things get interesting because...
Like 2017.
Exactly. Like in 2017 when Bitcoin was running up, but, its dominance was actually decreasing because money was flowing into all these other altcoins.
So if you were watching that, you would have been like, oh, it's altcoin season, time to get in. That's awesome.
That's what you want to look for. Bitcoin going up, dominance going down.
Okay.
That's when the magic happens.
That's when you jump into altcoins.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's not a perfect indicator or anything.
Right, of course, of course.
It's just a piece of the puzzle.
You got to do your research.
Exactly.
But it's like one signal.
Yeah, definitely a signal to pay attention to.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So our source material kind of lays out 4 different scenarios.
Yeah.
And I think this is super helpful to think about. So first we've got scenario 1 where Bitcoin price is going up. Bitcoin dominance is also going up.
Yeah, this is just like a classic Bitcoin bull market.
Got it.
Everything's green, everyone's happy.
Okay, scenario 2. This is where it gets a little more interesting.
Yeah.
Bitcoin price is going up, but dominance is going down.
Yes. This is what we were talking about.
The alt season.
This is alt season, yeah. It's a sign that money is flowing from Bitcoin into altcoins.
Love it.
And that's when you might see some really big moves.
Okay, so scenario 3.
Yeah.
Bitcoin price is going down, but dominance is actually going up.
This is kind of like a risk-off environment.
What does that mean?
Well, it means that people are scared. They're like pulling their money out of altcoins, putting it back into Bitcoin, which is like the safest bet in crypto.
The OG.
The original
Gangster.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, that's not a good time to be in altcoins.
Okay, and then the last one, this is the scariest of all.
Oh.
Bitcoin price is going down. Bitcoin dominance is also going down.
Oh, no. What is happening?
This is like a full-on crypto winter.
What do you do?
Everything's bleeding. Everybody's panicking.
You just got to, hold on for dear life.
Yeah, this is when you need to have... strong hands.
Simon hands.
Simon hands, exactly.
Don't sell.
Don't sell, just write it out.
Okay, so this is really interesting stuff. But
Yeah.
I think we need to be clear that Bitcoin dominance is not the only thing you should be looking at.
Absolutely not.
Right. There's a lot of other factors at play.
It's just one indicator among many.
Like what?
Well, you got to look at things like technological advancements.
Oh, yeah. New tech.
Is there a new blockchain that's super fast and scalable?
Yeah, is something going to come kill Bitcoin?
Who knows? Maybe, maybe not, but you got to pay attention to that stuff.
Right.
You also got to look at regulatory changes.
Oh, yeah, the government. Always got to worry about the government.
Exactly. Are they cracking down on crypto? Are they becoming more friendly?
All that kind of stuff.
All that stuff matters.
Macroeconomics, too, probably.
Oh, yeah, for sure. What's happening with inflation?
Interest rates.
Interest rates, the global economy.
Yeah, because crypto's not at a vacuum.
Exactly. It's all connected.
It's just
it's a big, complex system.
Bitcoin dominance is just one piece.
One piece of the puzzle.
Got it.
But it's an important piece.
Yeah, it's a good compass. But, yeah, you got to be careful about relying on just one thing.
Always do your own research.
Always. So, as always, for those listening at home, I think a good thing to think about is all those things we just talked about. How will those things affect Bitcoin and altcoins in the future? And maybe some things we didn't even talk about today. So keep thinking about it, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
For another deep dive.